Welcome back to Forestry Tech. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping ride as we check out the biggest, baddest machines in the forestry world. You won't believe the power and technology packed into these beasts. Let's get this show on the road. Holzbau bins significantly upgraded their sawing capabilities in 2022 with the installation of a state-of-the-art Muringer saw frame. This advanced system boasts fully automatic width adjustment, allowing for the simultaneous cutting of 3 handles without any manual repositioning. Furthermore, they've integrated cutting-edge Muringer machines for clamping, auxiliary carriages, riving knives, and pre-cutting. Witnessing this saw frame in action, and it'll blow your mind. You know what's really satisfying? Seeing someone solve a problem with pure creativity. This homemade log splitter does exactly that. It's clever, efficient, and just plain cool. I bet everyone watching this wishes they had one. Now, what we're seeing here is the result of dedication and craftsmanship. Notice how effortlessly he handles the tools? That's years of experience talking. This isn't something you learn overnight. It's a testament to the value of patience and persistence. The Ponce Ergo Harvester represents a significant advancement in forestry technology. Its active frame utilizes a unique hydraulic system to provide exceptional stability on uneven terrain. The C5 crane boasts a maximum reach of 10 meters and a lifting capacity of 1,000 kilograms. The H8 head is equipped with a high-performance saw unit capable of felling trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter. These features combine to deliver increased productivity, reduced downtime, and improved operator safety. The Decogiter SGM 1100 debarker utilizes a floating rotor system with pneumatic pressure plates and hydraulic rotor movement for optimal log processing. This configuration allows for efficient debarking of beechwood logs ranging from 140 millimeters to 1,000 millimeters in diameter. The machine's advanced features, including a 5/6 blade cutter system and automatic lubrication, contribute to its high performance and ease of maintenance. Okay, so you want to take down a tree? First things first, you gotta know where that baby's gonna land. Don't get cocky, every tree has a mind of its own. Don't underestimate this Belarus MTZ 1221.2 tractor. Its custom-built trailer and impressive maneuverability make it a logging powerhouse, proving that ingenuity and adaptability often outperform expensive, specialized equipment. Have you ever watched a pro logger work? It's mesmerizing. They size up a tree like they're reading its mind. Knowing exactly where it'll fall keeps them safe, and everyone else on the crew out of harm's way. That's skill. That maneuver was executed flawlessly. The driver demonstrated a precise understanding of the vehicle's dimensions and the spatial constraints. Highly impressive. This is insane. These guys are hauling timber down a mountain that looks like it's straight out of a movie. The concentration, the precision, the sheer bravery. It's mind-blowing. Someone give these drivers a medal. Witness the raw power and precision of the EC210, Excavator, and TIPA 1000 attachment as they make quick work of stubborn stumps in Kellinga, Gotland. This is stump removal redefined, efficient, effective, and undeniably impressive. I don't know about you, but I can watch those giant wood chippers go all day long. Something about seeing those logs disappear is just mesmerizing. Check out this video. It's full of awesome chipper action that'll keep you hooked. In-Torex automatic wood lathes are changing the game in wood turning. What sets them apart? Precision and efficiency, for starters. Their CNC line, featuring models like the CKI 1500/2500 and CKX 600/1300/1600, comes with cutting-edge technology, pneumatic loading systems, independent cutting gouges, you name it. The result? High-quality output, whether you're creating custom pieces or running a small batch production. Can you believe this? A DIY stump grinder that's just as good as the ones you buy in stores? I know, right? It's incredible. But before we get too excited, let's remember that safety is the most important thing. We want to make sure everyone stays safe while using this amazing invention. Well, is cutting down a tree dangerous? It sure is. Where were they expecting it to fall? Ever struggled with splitting thick logs? The Westech Woodcracker is your solution. This tough tong, made from super strong hard-ox steel, makes it a breeze. It comes in different sizes to fit your machines, and you can even use it to feed your chipper. When you are overconfident in your skills but the results are terrible. Check out that arm on the WA450LL. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, reaching out and grabbing those giant logs. It's awesome. But you know what? Sometimes even this beast of a machine has trouble. Makes you realize just how strong nature really is. Taking down a giant like this is a thrilling challenge, no doubt. But let's be clear, felling a tree this size is serious business. It's far more difficult and dangerous than most people realize. Safety must always be the top priority.